It's called the language transfer course. I don't know if you've heard of it.
Oh, I actually finished that. I
You
did that.
did?
I did that. That's super
Great.
helpful. Yes.
Great. Yes. You understand how, did you, like, whenever he asked you a question, did you pause and answer for yourself out loud?
No, just listen through the whole thing.
That's the part that really is important. That to me is
Mhm.
like, that's like 80% of the whole benefit of
Oh,
language transfer, in my
no.
opinion. But obviously it's fine. I would just recommend. So let me tell you what I did actually. I listened to the language transfer course, but I religiously paused, made sure I could answer the question. You know how there's a student and a teacher, right? And the teacher
Mhm.
asks question to the student, and the student
Yes.
answers it. I would make sure that I like paused it before the student answered. I would think of my answers for like 2-3 minutes. Like I would make sure I really go through the framework and the logic so that I could really boil down, like understand that logic, right?
Understood.
So, but it's really interesting that you actually did watch the language transfer course. I almost thought that it was kind of niche, that everyone just kind of uses Duolingo and Babbel. But that's
It's
good.
actually quite famous on Reddit. I'm not sure
Yeah.
if